Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the services that make location history possible. Open Settings and turn Location on. This allows GPS and network-based fixes. Once done, sign into your Google account and make sure Sync and Google Play services are active because they store and upload history. Also enable Wi-Fi and mobile data. Location is more accurate with network assists. These steps prepare the device to record points continuously, so the rest of the process can capture and retain your movements reliably. Now you activate location history inside Google Settings so Android can keep a timeline. Go to Google Settings, tap Location, then Location History. Toggle it on for your signed-in account. Make sure the device you're using is selected under Devices so it sends data. You can adjust recording preferences. Higher frequency gives more points but uses more battery. Choose what balances accuracy versus power. Once turned on, Android will begin logging coordinates and timestamps to your Google account automatically. Finally, review and manage the recorded history. Open Google Maps timeline to inspect routes and confirm timestamps. This shows why and where recordings occurred. If you need a copy, export history using Google Takeout or delete individual days from timeline. If data is missing, check battery saver and app permissions. Android often stops background location when battery optimization is active, so disable that for Google services. Also verify network connectivity and that the correct account is set to record.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.